When you search for lumbar lower back braces, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, FVATOL Back Brace Support Belt. The FVATOL Back Brace Support Belt caught my eye right away. Priced at $36.62, it promises substantial relief from back pain caused by issues like sciatica and herniated discs. If you want a reliable option for lower back pain relief, this is worth a serious look. So why does this product stand out? First off, it features strong support strips and an extra lumbar pad that provide 360-degree support, helping you maintain proper posture during workouts or daily activities. Plus, it's made from breathable neoprene, meaning you won't feel too hot or restricted while wearing it. With over 10,000 units sold recently, it's clearly resonating with people. Now, some users mention that it can feel a bit bulky during extended wear. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for serious back support, a little bulk can be a trade-off for comfort and stability. This is perfect for you if you deal with chronic back pain or you're recovering from an injury. Skip this one if you're looking for something super lightweight for casual use, but for the price, it's a solid option. Now, if the bulkiness of the FVATOL back brace bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, FVATOL Back Brace for Lower Back Pain. Next up is another offering from FVATOL, this one priced at $44.20. It's designed specifically for men and women dealing with serious back issues like scoliosis or degenerative disc disease. If you want a customizable fit with great support, this one deserves your attention. What sets this brace apart is its adjustable sizing. It comes with multiple support strips and an effective lumbar pad that helps to distribute pressure evenly across your lower back. This means you'll feel supported without compromising your range of motion during activities. With around 4,000 units sold recently, it's clear there's a demand for this style. However, some users pointed out that it may not fit those with very slim waistlines well. But honestly, if you're in need of a strong support system for more serious conditions, the fit issues won't matter much. This is perfect for you if you're looking for robust support during heavy lifting or if you have chronic back pain. Skip this if you're after something more lightweight for everyday use. Overall, it's a solid investment for back support. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for flexibility and comfort. Product number 3, Copper Fit X-Back Brace. Coming in at $75.79, the Copper Fit X-Back Brace is designed for those who want serious support without sacrificing comfort. It's geared toward both men and women suffering from various back conditions. If you need something that combines flexibility with support, this is worth checking out. The breathable materials promote airflow, keeping you cool while you work or exercise. Plus, it has a curved lumbar panel that mimics the natural curvature of your spine, which is crucial for proper alignment during the day. With 4,000 units sold recently, it's clear that this product is popular. Now, some users reported that the sizing can run a bit small, which can be frustrating. But here's the thing, if you get the correct size according to the chart, you'll likely find it incredibly comfortable and supportive. This is perfect for you if you're active and need a brace that can keep up with your lifestyle. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional design that doesn't feature adjustable straps. It's a bit pricier, but definitely offers good value for the support it provides. Now, if the price of the Copper Fit brace is a concern for you, the next option is a more budget-friendly pick. Product number 4, FVATOL Breathable Back Brace. Next, we have the FVATOL Breathable Back Brace priced at $44.20. This one is smaller in size, targeted for those with waist sizes between 24.4 and 29.8 inches. If you need a compact option for serious back support, this brace is worth considering. The extra lumbar pad is a nice touch, offering additional support where it matters most. It's garnered around 3,000 sales recently, indicating it's meeting a solid demand. However, some users mention that the sizing can be tricky, particularly for those on the higher end of the scale. But honestly, if you fit within the size range, the support is fantastic for everyday activities. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something effective without being overly bulky. Skip this if you need something for larger waist sizes. It's reasonably priced for the quality you're getting. Now, if you want a more rugged option built for heavy-duty use, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 5, Work Back Brace. Finally, we have the Work Back Brace, which is a steal at just $23.99. This one is specifically designed for those engaged in heavy lifting and physically demanding jobs. If you need something tough and reliable, this might be your best bet. This brace features adjustable suspenders that help keep the support in place even when you're moving around a lot. It's made from durable materials to withstand daily wear and tear, making it ideal for construction or warehouse work. It's lightweight and breathable, so you'll be comfortable even during long shifts. With over 2,000 sold recently, it's clear that it's popular among hard workers. However, some users mention that it might not provide as much support as some of the pricier models. But here's the thing, if you're engaged in physically demanding tasks, the comfort and adjustability may outweigh the need for extreme support. This is perfect for you if you work in construction or any job that requires heavy lifting. Skip this if you want something more suitable for everyday wear. Honestly, it's a fantastic value for what you get. So there you have it, 5 great options for lumbar lower back support. From the versatile affiliation models to the specialized copper fit and the budget-friendly work back brace, there's something for everyone. Pick the one that suits your needs best and take that first step towards better back health.